Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are going to look at two more letters which have the similar sound. These two letters are Tata and Tainka. Their sounds are same. T, T. And if we want to denote their sounds with the English letters, then we will be having T for both the letters. This is what makes it a little hard to remember. In the beginning, like I have said in earlier videos also, people try to remember the sounds based on the English alphabets. But in this case, we cannot do anything because both are represented with a T. So to understand it in a better way, what we are going to do is we are going to have the examples here. This is my Tata, and from Tata I am going to get the sound of T. And from T we can have the example of Taran, a city in Punjab. From Tanka we are going to get the sound of T, and from T we can have Turkey. Okay, this is Tatta. It is going to give me the sound of T, and from T we are going to have Taran. This is Tanka. Tanka is going to give me the sound of T, and from T we are going to have Turkey. Another example in this case we can have a simple word term. It is easy to remember that. These are the two letters that we have for today. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.